Today I will discuss about one of my favorite essays, The Damn Human Race by Mark Twain, in which he compares the traits of human beings with that of animals by using scientific method. He tells us in the introduction of the essay that he did different experiments in the London Zoological Garden, and on that ground he rejects the Darwinian theory of the ascent of man from the lower animals and presents his own theory, the descent of man from the higher animals. He adds a case in which some hunters killed 72 buffaloes to entertain an English owl. They ate only one and left 71 to rot. On the other hand, the writer leaves 7 young calves into the cage of anaconda, but he eats only one and doesn't show any interest for others. Here he proves that anaconda was better than human beings who kill animals just for entertainment. Second instance he quotes of the accumulation done by human beings. This is still applicable today, where people accumulate whether it be money or food for their generations and don't use it for the benefit of human beings. On the contrary, the writer concludes that the animals don't store food. Few birds do that, but that is just for a certain period of time. He proves in his experiments that man is so revengeful he always gets ready to insult others. But this quality is null in animals. This shows that human beings are descending in their behavior. The writer compares him with a rooster who keeps harem but with their own will, but man does it by force and doesn't feel ashamed after doing it. Man is loose character. Cats are also called loose in the morals, but they don't do it intentionally. So according to the writer, cat is innocent, but man is not. He adds various instances of the indecency and vulgarity of man when he talks insanely and obscenely and laughs out of his dirty jokes. But animals don't do that. He talks about the atrocities done by human beings, and for that he refers to different nations to prove how human beings have been killing and maiming their brethren for ages. He inflicted people for enjoyment, but animals don't torture. Man organizes mass destruction, robs their rivals out of the country, and he does so by force or by bloodshed. Man is a slave but enslaves others and get his works done by those under him. But animals don't do that. They do their work themselves. Man is a religious animal. He always considers others on the wrong path. Still people kill each other in the name of God and imagine they would get heaven by doing so. But the animals have no religion. During his experiments, Mark Twain was able to put some animals and they turned to be very good friends. But when he did the same experiment with human beings, they couldn't tolerate one another and killed each of them. At the end, he claims that the reason of the degradation of human beings is the awareness or the ability to do evil. That's why he is better to be called the lowest of all creatures.